Almalinux has released their first stable version. Almalinux is a replacement for CentOS, which is supposedly binary compatible with Red Hat's version 8 release. I'm going to show you how to update the beta version of Almalinux and also how to update a CentOS Linux installation. Previously, Almalinux released a beta version. If you have that beta version, it's very easy to do an update for it. I still have a beta version here. See, that's the Alma release beta. All you have to do is do a DNF update or Yum update if you prefer. And as a part of that update, it's going to upgrade from the beta version to the stable version. So you'd say yes there and let it do its thing. Once it's complete, you go ahead and reboot the system. Once the system's rebooted, go ahead and log in. And you can see now that it's at the release version. It's not the beta anymore. And once you reboot it that first time, go ahead and run a DNF update. It's going to give you a list of packages that are available for the stable version. You have to go ahead and download those. So let that go ahead and download and install. Once that update is completed, you have to reboot once again. Once you've rebooted, go ahead and log in. And you can see that you're on the Almalinux release, and that is the latest version. Now, the other option is to upgrade your system from CentOS or Red Hat version 8. And they also say down here at the, well, it's on the other screen here. If you'll scroll down from their homepage, there's an option there that says rapid switch from CentOS to Almalinux. You click on that link and scroll down to the bottom here. It shows which systems they support. CentOS 8, Oracle Linux 8, Red Hat's 8. Now, if you scroll back up under usage, there is the link for the upgrade script that you have to download. Just copy this link and paste it into your CentOS or Red Hat 8 installation to start the upgrade. This is a CentOS 8 box. That's 8.3. So I'm going to paste in that command that I copied. Here's the script file that it downloaded, and it's not executable, so I need to make it executable. Instead of the numbers, you could use the -x if you want, whatever makes you happy. Now it's executable, so I would run that executable as root. You have to run it as root. So the script's going to go through and download the needed packages, and it's going to upgrade you to Almalinux. There's over 1,400 packages, so I'm going to stop the recording and come back when it's done. And 30 minutes later, it's done. So I'm going to reboot it. Reboot, go in and check my version. And we're on the Almalinux non-beta version. So upgrading to Almalinux is not too difficult. There is a script to upgrade you from other versions like Oracle Linux 8 and Red Hat 8. You can't upgrade from version 7 of CentOS or Red Hat. You have to upgrade from 7 to that version 8 and then do the upgrade to Almalinux. Please like, subscribe, send me an email. Thanks for watching.